Recently, I had a few people ask me how I made these bookmarks that I posted onto Instagram. So I wanted to show you how I dragged my Bitmoji into the PowerPoint file. So the first thing you need to do is to create a Bitmoji account on your phone. Next, go to a computer and download the Bitmoji right here, Chromebook or Chrome extension. So this is what you do. You'll Google, go to the Chrome Web Store, look for the Bitmoji. Mine's already added, so it will say, it says remove on mine. It'll say add on yours. Click on add and you'll be ready to go. And it will appear up here. And you can move the extensions based on frequency of use to wherever makes the most sense. So then what you're going to do, once this is installed, you simply, I have PowerPoint open right here so I can show you. You click on the Bitmoji extension, then I typed in books and all these different images came up, and then you'll click on them and this black bar comes up. You can right click and copy and then paste into PowerPoint by copying image, going into PowerPoint and pasting, and it will just pop in, and it has a great transparent background, so it makes it really easy for moving around within whatever you're creating. Or if you go into something, you can literally just left click it, the image, so that the blue box comes up, and drag it over and drop. So, and then you can just take that corner mark and make them the size that makes the most sense. So then for the bookmarks, I created a table, 4-column table, and then from here, I just cut them from the blank slide and then pasted them into the bookmarks. For some reason, it worked easier to paste the Bitmoji images into the blank slide first, and then put them, when I was in PowerPoint, put them into the template for the bookmarks. Now you can do this in Google Slides also, but I wanted, the ones that I created, I wanted to use a custom font that I had, so then I could type right in there in the text box. So on Google Slides, it works really well too. And Google Slides, because you're going Google to Google, you can literally drag and drop and go right into the table. And then again, just drag the corner image and make it the size that works best. And even the images within Google Slides, the images with text will work, but for some reason, not all of them work within a Microsoft product. So it's super easy to just drag and drop. It'll say creating images. It takes a second and then it just comes right up. And then really easy. And then you have bookmarks for your students. I just added some text here, punched a hole in the top, hole puncher, and then put a little piece of leather through on the top. So I hope that helps you. And if you have any questions, let me know.